America, bless God and night good, you think. World are unjust and good is that all and freedom defend to go forward go we yet. Day this forget ever us will us of none. Time this so do will we and before enemies down stood has America. Peace and justice for resolve are in unite life of walk every from Americans all one day a is this. Me with are you for evil no fear I, death of shadow the of valley through the walk I through even. 23 Psalm, in ages the through spoken us have any then greater power a by comforted be will they pray I and. Threatened has been security and safety of sense whose all for shattered been have worlds whose children the for grieve who those all for prayers your for ask I tonight. Terrorism against war the win to together stand we and world the insecurity and peace want who those all with join allies and friends are and America. Assistance and condolences there offered to called have who leaders world many the thank I people American the of behalf on and attacks these condemning strongly in me joined have who Congress of members the much very much so appreciate I. Them harbor who those and acts those committed who terrorists the between distinction no make will we. Justice to bring them and responsible those find to communities enforcement law and intelligence are for resources full the directive I've. Acts evil those behind are who those for underway is search the. Well as business for open will be economy America the and strong remain institutions financial are. Tomorrow business for open be will and tonight personnel essential for reopening are today evacuated be to had which Washington and agencies federal interruption without continue government are of functions the attacks further from world the around and home at citizens are protect to precaution every take to and injured been have who those to help get to is our priority first are. Efforts rescue local with help to CD Washington and City York new in working the team's emergency are prepared its and powerful is military. Our plans response emergencies government are implemented. I attack first the following immediately. Could they weigh any in help and blood give to came who neighbors and strangers for carrying the with workers rescue are of daring the with America of best the with responded we and nature human of worst there they evil saw nation are today shining from light that will keep one no and world thee an opportunity and freedom for beacon brightest that were because attacked for targeted was America resolve American of steel the dent cannot they but steel shatter axe the America of foundation the touch cannot they but buildings biggest are of foundations the shake can attack terrorist. Nation great a defend to moved been has people great a strong is country. Are failed have they but retreat and chaos into nation are frightened intended were murder mass of acts these. Anger unyielding quiet a and sadness terrible disbelief with us filled have collapsing structures huge burning fires buildings into flying airplanes of pictures the terror of acts despicable evil by ended suddenly were lives of thousands neighbors and friends dads and moms workers federal and military women and businessmen secretaries offices there in or airplanes in were victims the acts terrorists deadly and deliberate of series A in attack undercame freedom very our life of way our citizens fellow